That's how this works. Excuse me. You guys are the best. Hey, Matt. Not even on my... come on, bike. Let's see who is in the running. Wow. Excuse me. Excuse me. Yeah, I'm in pretty good. That was my mating call. I mean, we can still see you on the map, so... Oh, I see you, Matt. 10. Yikes. Nope. Hey, don't forget GTA rules are on. Give me farming potatoes a lot more because... yeah. Because, yeah, we're... Ew. Okay? Falling apart here, Bob. Wow. Paul didn't even finish. You gotta do... you gotta... I'm not sure about that one. Left auto. We're gonna be playing... Excuse me? Quit propping around. Okay, let's... Oh.
Do you guys want to hear me burp really loud? That's a talent I have. One of the 3 or 4 talents I have. I think burping's probably the best one. I can, seriously, no joke, make myself burp really loud. You want to hear it? You want to hear it? Did so much better the first time I chugged this. I still got some more.
Gosh, there are so many guys here. The drop.
I'm gonna give up. Let's be real now. So what we're gonna do here is because that happened. Alright guys, name is Tyler aka Nanogenics, and today, did you just burp? I might have just burped.
Don't forget. Okay then.
Isn't it like Trog? Ben was fighting each other. I think I third partied. Like, so sweet looking. Where is everybody? Me everything. Take my money. Take my money.
My 2 previous videos here. I'm so sorry.
Small house. Small house. Small house. Despair.
You hear that? Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. You know what the funniest part about this link? Excuse me. Oh yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah, you hear that? Oh, do you hear that, dude? Wow. God, I'm attractive.
We'll swim.
Oh my God, dude. Excuse me. Chat.